How to withdraw money from Worldcoin to Trust Wallet. So the first step is to simply open Trust Wallet on your mobile phone, and then you're gonna have to simply tap on receive and then simply search for Worldcoin. And so let's search for Worldcoin. And after that, you're gonna have to select the network. So as you can see, you have this one here, and then you have the Ethereum one. So choose the one that you need. And then you're gonna have this address here. Now with this address, what you're gonna have to do is simply copy it and then simply open their wallet app, which is Worldcoin wallet. And then you're gonna have to simply go to the crypto section and then tap on withdraw, and then you're gonna have to simply enter that address that you just copied, and basically that's it. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.